Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, a BSLT sandwich. Bacon, sausage, lettuce, and tomato. Hey, it's a BSLT. We're going to have some sausage. There's a new sausage thing out. We're going to try it out today. That's next on Cooking with Corey. We're going to battle some wind as usual. We're in Nebraska. Let's get cooking next. Alright, our stars of the day, our ingredients, some Italian bread, some cherry tomatoes, or salad tomatoes, or grape tomatoes, some Grey Poupon, and some Hellmann's. That's going to be 3 to 1, so 3 tablespoons of Hellmann's to 1 tablespoon of Grey Poupon. Not going to show you that, but telling you that's what I'm going to do. Jalapeno bacon. Never tried it before. Saw it at Leon's. Picked me up a pound of it. Jalapeno bacon and this new Johnsonville. Look at this. Sausage strips. Got some maple flavored. Thought that would be really cool to put in on this. And of course, got some delicious leaf lettuce. Alright, that's our lineup. Those are our ingredients. That's what we're working with. Let's fire up that Blackstone next. Alright, let's get to cooking on our Blackstone here. Medium high, medium high, medium high. Off. 3 on, 1 off. Let's get started out with our delicious jalapeno bacon. And we're just doing one sandwich tonight, so good. You know, we're gonna make it delish. We're gonna make it meaty. How many should we do? I think we're gonna do 5. This is jalapeno bacon, so it's flavored with jalapeno, so it's a little spicy. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's do 6. Let's do 6. Alright. Alright, we got 6 of those going. And then we will take our maple flavored Johnsonville sausage strips. And we're going to do some of those. And we will do, let's see, 1, 2, put one up here, 3, 4, 5. Hey, equal it out. Let's do 6. 6 and 6. Alright, there's the sizzle. Let's cook some bacon and cook some sausage strips. Alright, let's get it going. Alright, I think it's about time to give everything a little turn here, so brought you back for that. Our jalapeno bacon. Ooh, Nelly. Look at that stuff. That brown up. Looking good. Good, 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 good. Alright. Our sausage strips. Put those over. Those get some nice color on them too. That sugar and that maple is probably helping that out a little bit. Let's move this over here. Get a little more heat. Down here. Like so. Give it probably a couple minutes, then we're going to move those over to the side and we'll show you how we build this. Okay, we're getting close to being done with our bacon. Looking good, our jalapeno bacon. Move this over to the warm part of the grill along with our sausage. Boom, boom, boom. Get her all over there. They're done cooking for now, so they can go over there and chill out until we need them. Alright, all this deliciousness we got on our grill stays. Might pull a little bit of the chunks off, like so. Alright, here's what we're going to do. We got our cherries or grape tomatoes, whatever you want to call them. These are going to go down just like so. On your flat top. Just like that. Nice big old pile of them. Always good. Our bread, I cut down that Italian loaf and I got us 2 nice pieces of bread here, and we want to soak up some of that bacon grease, some of that sausage grease. Go like that. Move these over towards the center. What we're going to do is blister these. We're going to hit them with just a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to blister those up. Toast our bread. Already made the mayo. Got the lettuce ready to roll. This sandwich is coming together. It's going to be here soon. All right, look at our tomatoes going here, looking good. Those got a little color on them. And we just give them just a little bit of a smush, like so. Let those caramelize up just a little bit more, and then we're gonna move this side. We're gonna kill the power on our Blackstone. Move our bread in. An Italian loaf that we decided that we would cut down, which is fine. So now to start, our mixture of 3 tablespoons of mayo to 1 tablespoon of Dijon, and I added fresh cracked pepper. That will go on both sides. Nice healthy dose. Both sides of our bread there. Put that up there so you guys can see it. Looking good, looking good. All right, good healthy dose of that. Then lettuce, the leaf lettuce will go down one side and the other, obviously. And we will need our jalapeno bacon. Gotta bring the stars of the show in here. Jalapeno bacon, looking good. Ooh, gosh, that mayo tastes good. Let's get them all on there. What did I say? What did we do? 6? All right, that looks good. And then we'll get our sausage on there. Go the other way with our sausage strips that we worked hard on. There's 3 of them. Ooh, yeah, he got some good color on them there. There. We got a meaty looking sandwich going there. And we will take our tomatoes here. These will go on. Technically clean hands, as always on Cooking with Corey. Right on the top. Get them all on there. Watch out, those are going to be hot. I mean, it's not a sandwich you want to be eating right away. So we'll take, and pick clean hands, we'll take our top, we'll throw it on here like so. All right, let's go cut into this bad boy. Our SBLT. Let's go see what we got. Let's do that. All right, everyone, here we have, look at that. Doesn't that look freaking delicious? I mean, look at those layers of flavor in there. Bacon, sausage, roasted, tomato. Oh, we got Dijon Mayo, we got lettuce, we got all of it. It looks delicious. All right, let's cut into it. All right, you guys ready? Let's cut. Oh, I hope I got through it. Hope I didn't screw it up. Yeah, I think we're okay. All right, let's look. I'll tell you what. There you go. Your bacon sausage LT. Is that one delicious looking sandwich, or is that one delicious looking sandwich? I mean, I'm here to tell you. Look at all the flavor in that. Alright guys, thanks for watching another edition of Cooking with Corey. I appreciate the support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube while you're at it. We'll see you next week. Stay safe, people.